So let's say end of 2017, where do you want yourself to be personally?
End of 2017, still living here. I'm my mother's son. I will not stop fighting, even though I'm not fully with it. Having a much more focused business. We were trying to do lots of different things, but I'm hoping this will sort the wheat out from the chaff, and the real good projects will come online, and the business is stable financially. It allows me to have ill days, so at the moment I can't afford to have ill days. If we can have a business that's paying its way, and the workshops pay really well, it can, and that money can be invested in making a difference, but it can also allow me to have sick days and not feel I've got to get out there.
That's interesting. I asked us where do you see yourself personally, and your second thing was straight to the business.
Yeah.
So do you feel that they are completely inseparable?
Wow, that's an interesting one. Some people say I'm a workaholic. But for me personally, I just want to be stable. But the business is part of that stability. That's how, it goes back to my childhood. I want to do something that makes a difference. So it is intrinsic in, because if I move away from where we are now, I won't be able to work. And that will have a big impact. So I need to put... what is hard to divide is the difference between me and the wild man. Because the wild man gets away with things that I can't. And some people say, oh, well, that's really you talking and not the wild man. So sometimes that line gets blurred, the difference between me and the other character, the other persona. But I probably would say I am a bit of a workaholic, and so even on my leisure time I'm thinking, right, how can I absorb this into the business, and see if I go to the theatre, I see a performance, I think, well, okay, and what are they doing, how can I replicate that? So yeah, it's you're probably right,